All right, so we here at the closing. Yeah, talk to us. What we got going on today?
So this is the buyer for 1380 Gibson Street in Far Rockaway.
1380 what?
Gibson in Far Rockaway. It's the large one family that can be converted to a two. She just closed. She's 23 years old, but I'll let her speak.
Okay.
But she already has tenants in her property.
Nice.
Okay,
So let's talk. Let's talk numbers, yeah.
I can't with her. You hear what she just said?
No, I didn't hear that.
She's gonna do her job because she finished grad school. She's hoping, they give her a raise because she runs 3 departments. But then, in her spare time, she wants to be like a professor.
Wow, I didn't know that.
And then you're gonna cure cancer.
And she's a landlord.
You're gonna cure cancer too in your other.
I don't sleep with sleep.
All right, so talk to the people right now, right? So introduce yourself. Who are you?
Hi, my name's Angelica Sting. I'm a new homeowner. I'm very excited for this process. So going under renovations, and then I'll see where everything places. I'm just going with it. I'm not gonna stress about it because stress leads to great.
And I know I keep saying this, but tell the people your age.
I'm 23. I turned 23 about 3 months ago.
Wow.
And she's a landlord.
And just finished grad school.
Yes.
She's a boss.
So let's tell the people about the experience of working with the Legacy team. And
so everyone on this team, they were absolutely stunning. Everyone was on point. You guys answered all my questions in a timely manner. I couldn't ask for more. So the bank closed insanely fast. You guys were always there to reach out to, and my realtor was amazing. So everyone on the team was perfect. So if you don't work with them, then something's wrong with you. But yes.
So let's talk about the bank.
Of course. So if you want a bank that's opens all night, we'll speak to you at 10 p.m. and you know which way to go. No one else but Matthew. So
Flagstar.
No, fuck Flagstar. Matthew, because Flagstar ain't open at 10:30 when she's calling.
Matthew Garland.
Yeah, say that again. Because when you're calling me at 10:30, 11 o'clock,
and your
panicking.
assistants were very nice. Alex was great. And nothing but good words. Honestly.
I love that. So what's your thoughts? What's your name? Talk to the people.
My name is Alicia. I'm a realtor and a client. And I'm just so happy to work with her because she's 23 and that's amazing. She's my youngest client, so I'm so happy. And I'm just all smiles and happy for her. So.
Are you on Instagram?
Yes, I am.
Tell the people your Instagram.
Alicia_Remodel Realty.
Say that again.
Alicia_Remodel Realty.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna tag you to this. All right. So we got any parting words? Janice, what's up? Talk to the people. What you got to say?
I mean, you're never too young to start living your real estate dreams.
That's right.
And I think she's like a great example and role model for young people and young girls. I mean, I'm just like so impressed with her, and I think everything happens for a reason.
And
I'm
I
glad
can
we
definitely
closed
tell
this
you
deal
from
together.
the success of this journey, it makes me want to even further realty, which is what I was telling you, that it's just a very interesting field. And this wouldn't be my only home purchase. That's the goal.
So when did you have the idea? Because we were talking to your parents and they said you reached past the stars. You reached to the moon, right? So when did you have this thought in your head to say, you know what, I'm going to buy real estate? At what age?
I started saving at 16. So I used to work at Walgreens. And then my parents, they were homeowners because we used to rent. So when I was young, we used to rent a small apartment in the basement. And my parents had me really young, so I knew the struggle of that and how important it was to save from an early age. And my mom always tells me, when you own your own house, you wouldn't have these problems. You wouldn't have to stay quiet past 10 p.m. or have a certain amount of people over because you'll be the homeowner. So, and when I worked in retail, I knew how difficult it was, and I was like, oh no, I gotta stay in school. I gotta get my own place, and so I started saving when I was 16. Even when I was in college, I worked. And then now I'm finally here.
Now you're finally here.
Yeah, I'm finally here.
I love it. A two family, basically.
Started from the bottom, now she here.
Started from the bottom, now she here. Yeah, you got a two family. What's the rental income looking like, ladies? Talk to us on this rental income.
So her 2-bedroom, I believe she's getting $1,600 a month. And she has some more potential for rental, right? So once she does her renovation, she may have another
Basement
unit.
potential.
Yeah, another unit, especially in New York City. They're working on programs to legalize your basement. So she'll be able to have more rental income. But that's just, it's amazing.
So projected, what do you think? Just if we're not talking the basement right now.
I'm thinking that she can get at least another $1,500, so at least $3,000.
And talk about when this property is fixed up.
Yeah.
Because it's a huge house.
So let's talk numbers. How much did we pay for this property?
It was $520,000.
Okay. And now, if we fix it up, how much is it going to be worth?
Well, once she fixes it up and she converts it, she actually can get about $800,000 or $900,000. There's actually a property on your block.
Oh yes.
That's for sale at $899.
And we're not even talking about gentrification yet because it's heading that way.
So,
and those houses that have been gentrified a little further down, selling for what?
$1 million.
Wow.
At least.
So wait a
Easily.
minute. So let's repeat this again. $550 you paid, right?
$520.
$520. Let me not put an extra 20 on it. My bad.
$520.
So we paid $520, and how much in rental are you gonna do the conversion, right?
Yes.
And how much was the quote to convert it?
I can't remember off the top of my head, honestly.
So
It was less than, the person I spoke to said it was less than $10,000 just to convert it.
because
But
it's
she's
already
also-
set up.
It has a separate meter,
Yeah.
separate entrance, the exit access. It has a lot of
exits.
Yeah. So,
So-
all of those things, but her renovation is going to be really for her taste and to kind of modernize the house.
So how much do you think you're going to spend on your renovation?
Maybe on one side, I want to put in new kitchens, new bathrooms, update everything. I'm assuming total for the house when I had it quoted about $20,000 for everything that I want.
Okay.
And she has the hookup.
And yeah,
She has the plug.
so a family friend is doing it, so I'm getting lucky all around.
But that's and that's another great point to talk about. If you have a family, somebody that can do the work for you, even better.
Or even if you're like my dad, I'm lucky with my dad. He's not a professional at it, but he's willing to watch and he's willing to learn and he's willing to be there. So that even helps more if you have someone there, whether it's your dad, brother, cousin, who's just there and they can do the work for you. And even me, like I'm gonna get down and I'm gonna be there.
That's right.
So
you're part of the process.
Yes.
So we're looking at basically $525, probably another $20,000 to $30,000 in renovation, plus converting this property, which is already a two-family basically, but now we're gonna make it a legal two-family. So you'll probably be in no more than $600,000, and as soon as your renovation is done, as soon as your conversion is completed, you're about $900,000.
Yep.
Holy shit!
Yeah.
That's what I call building wealth through real
right,
estate.
creating wealth.
And how old are you again?
23.
That's right.
Listen, people, if you guys don't get in the game, I don't know what the hell you're doing. 23 and got $300,000 in equity waiting for her. Now, this was a huge success story.
Yep.
All right, people, that's all we're going to talk about today.
Congrats.
We see y'all at the next closing. Congratulations.